Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be bringing you a video where I will be applying an OLAPLEX number 3 treatment to my hair. So ever since I've dyed my hair, I've been experiencing a little bit of dryness and brittleness and a lot of tangling towards my ends. So I thought that I would try out the OLAPLEX Hair Perfector number 3. Now this product is sold at Sephora, so you can only imagine it is not cheap. However, you can probably get about 2 to 3 uses out of the bottle. So as I mentioned, my hair is extremely dry, and this is actually an old wash and go, so that's why it looks a little crazy. But yeah, you can see that the ends are super dry and the hair is frizzy. So I am excited to try this treatment out. It claims to repair and strengthen all hair types, and this is what the bottle looks like here. Again, it is a tiny bottle. However, you can probably get a few uses out of it. So I made sure to follow the directions that it gives on the bottle. I also watched a few YouTube videos just to kind of get a sense of how others were using the treatment. On the directions, it does say to use it before shampooing. However, on the videos that I watched, I noticed that a lot of the girls were applying it to clean hair. So I did use a mild sort of shampoo. I ended up using this Camille Rose Naturals Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse. So this is what my hair is looking like. This will be our starting point so we can look back and compare how the product affects my hair. So as you can see, there's definitely some frizz. The hair is not really clumping as it would if it was healthier. You can see the ends are super frizzy. So now I'm going to get into the actual application. What I'll be using to help me in this process is my Denman brush, some clips, and of course the treatment. I'm going to start by sectioning the hair. So we'll start by applying it section by section, which is recommended when applying the product to make sure that every single strand is coated. So I'm just going to take little, I would say about 2 to 3 inch sections. And guys, let me tell you about the smell of this product. Oh, it smells so good. It's so refreshing, so clean. It smells like a nice, fresh, soothing spa. Just amazing. I can like smell this all day long. Here is a view of the texture. It's very slippery, so it's good to detangle with. So I start by applying it to my ends, as those are the parts that are going to need it the most. And I'm just working my way, raking it in and just pressing it into the hair and doing a little bit of finger detangling as I'm applying it to the hair. And then I switched over to my Denman brush and just gently passed it through my hair. And then I'm going back in and applying even more. And this time I'm going to make sure I apply it to all of my hair, all the way up to the roots. And then one last detangling session on this section with the Denman brush. And then just for now, I'm gonna do a little 2-strand twist just to keep it out of the way while we work on the other sections. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to repeat those same exact steps on all of my sections. Okay, so after I finished applying and detangling to the bottom sections, I'm gonna go in and apply even more of the product. Again, I'm really concerned about making sure that my hair is saturated. I kept feeling like it was doing a really great job absorbing into my hair, so I just kept applying more and more because I just wanted to have that feeling of like that excess product in my hair. But I think my hair really needed it because it took like 3 applications for me to get that feeling like there was excess product sitting on my hair. Again, just continued the same steps all through my head. And I know sometimes I get a lot of questions on how long it takes me to apply product to my hair. Just depending on what I'm doing, it'll usually take me about anywhere from like 10 to 15 minutes to get product in my hair whenever I'm applying section by section. So here you'll see my hair with the product in it, and I'm just doing one last comb through and one last application, focusing on the ends because again I definitely want to make sure that the hair is saturated. So now we're just going to wait 30 minutes with the product in the hair. Alright, so the product has been in my hair for a good 30 minutes now. It's feeling good. Feels a bit hard, which I guess it's good. It's supposed to do that. So it has a little bit of a cast. I want to show you guys how much of the product I actually used. I would say maybe a little bit less than half. Oh, actually probably like a third. I could probably get 2 more uses out of this, so I don't know if you'll be able to see. It's about up to here. And I really drenched my hair with this stuff. I was very generous with applying it to my hair, and yeah, so I think I can get 3 uses out of it, which is great. So now I'm gonna go wash out the product. I'm going to shampoo and condition my hair. I'll show you guys what I use to do that, and then I'm gonna add a deep conditioner and leave that in for about 30 minutes, and then we'll head into styling. Alright guys, just rinsed the product out. I ended up using the same rinse that I used prior to applying the OLAPLEX. I was going to use a conditioner on top of it, but noticed that my hair felt really good and soft, so I didn't need to use a conditioner. Plus, I'm going to be deep conditioning anyway, so it really didn't make sense. But let me take the towel out so I can show you guys what we're working with. So this is my hair damp, and you can compare it to how it looked like prior to applying the OLAPLEX damp. So I dampened my hair prior to applying the OLAPLEX, and I'll insert a clip of that so you can see the comparison. So this is nothing in my hair. This is after washing out the treatment and damp hair. So you could definitely see a lot more definition in the curls. The hair feels super soft and really conditioned, and I haven't applied any conditioner on my hair yet. So it feels so good, so soft. So I can only imagine what's gonna happen once I deep condition my hair and style it. So I'm super excited for that. So let's get to deep conditioning. And for deep conditioning today, I'm going back to an old favorite of mine. I have not used this deep conditioner in so long. It is the Shea Moisture's Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Hair Mask. This is the perfect mask to pair with this treatment. I love this stuff. It smells amazing. It is super hydrating. So I'm gonna apply this, leave it on for about 30 minutes. All right guys, we are back. So I finished my entire treatment using the OLAPLEX number 3, and I've gone through all the steps, including the hair mask at the end. So this is where we are now. So I will be styling my hair, so that will be part of a different video, so stay tuned for that. But overall, I just wanted to give you guys my thoughts and how I feel about the treatment. I have to say that my hair feels so soft. So it feels super hydrated, moisturized. Now, I don't think I'll know the full strength of the strands until my hair is dry. I will give you guys an update on that after I've styled my hair and it's 100% dry. So I'm just gonna show you guys up close so you can see what the hair looks like. So if you recall back when it was damp, prior to adding the treatment, it really lacked a lot of definition and it was really dry. My hair feels so good. It's like, oh, feels like a dream right now. So that concludes this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed going with me through this journey and process of applying the OLAPLEX number 3 treatment in my hair. And stay tuned for some clips at the end of this video so you guys can see how it came out when the hair is styled. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you've ever tried the OLAPLEX number 3 treatment. If not, do you plan on trying it? Do you think your hair needs it? And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed. And thank you again so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.
She an independent woman, she get it all on her own. And girl, you really is something, and I can't wait till I get you.